Now, exactly a year ago, Pope Francis was Cardinal Jorge Mario Bergoglio of Buenos Aires. Pundits had almost dismissed him as a successor to Pope Benedict the 16th, who is just 2 years older than Pope Francis.
However, a year since the white smoke signaled his entrance as Pope, the Vatican head has made some changes which some have called revolutionary. Ktns Edith Kimani takes a look at some of them.
He has been described as a man who leads a simple lifestyle, an ironic description for the man who leads one of the most established institutions in the world, the Catholic Church. But Pope Francis, in his 1 year in office, has shown through action that what he preaches, he practices. The Pope takes the baths to the papal palace, he kisses the feet of criminals, and he moved away from the stately papal apartments to instead share a modest guest house with other Vaticans. It is no wonder then that in the 365 days he has been in office, he has received great adoration from both Catholics and non-Catholics alike. But it is his decisions on how to run the church that have placed him on the lips of many. Concerned with the luxurious lifestyle of the Vatican, Pope Francis appointed Cardinal Jorge from Australia to set up a new Vatican Ministry of Economic Affairs. The ministry oversees the Vatican's finances. His commitment to eliminate sexual deviance within the church has, however, been questioned, especially after a Polish bishop was recently employed as a Pope's ambassador to Santo Domingo. Never mind that he was accused of sexually abusing children. In the year he has been Pope, Pope Francis has acquired celebrity status, appearing in various magazines and getting the title of Best Dressed Man of 2013. But he has dismissed this kind of adoration, telling an Italian paper that he found painting him as a sort of Superman, a kind of star, offensive. He told the editor of the paper that he was simply a man who laughed, cried, and slept quietly. Edith Kimani, KTN.